Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Jenkins and the cluster so agents can launch securely. Install the Kubernetes plugin in Jenkins, then create a service account and kubeconfig with minimal RBAC for pod creation. Build or pick a cloud-native agent Docker image that contains JDK, the Jenkins agent jar, and any build tools you need. Once done, push the image to a registry accessible by the cluster and add credentials to Jenkins so it can pull images. This establishes the foundation for pod-based agents. Next, you configure pod templates inside Jenkins to describe agent pods. Create templates that specify container names, the agent image, environment variables, and any persistent volume mounts for workspace caching. Make sure to assign labels and a working directory that match your job definitions, and set command/args or resource limits so pods start cleanly and don't exhaust the node. Add image pull secrets and mount Kubernetes secrets for credentials. Once configured, test by launching a job. Finally, you run jobs and validate the full flow by triggering a pipeline that uses the pod template label to spawn an agent. Watch the pod lifecycle. kubectl get pods, kubectl describe, and kubectl logs to catch startup errors. If the pod fails, check image pull secrets, RBAC permissions, and node capacity. These are the common culprits. Make sure to tune liveness/readiness probes, startup timeouts, and CPU/memory requests so agents stay healthy. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, describe the pod events first to quickly pinpoint permission or image issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.